Good morning, sir. Thank you very much for giving me this opportunity to attend the interview. My name is Santosh Khadka and I am 24 years old. I am from Sundarrecha 5 Morang, Nepal. I have completed my +2 level education. I have 3 years of work experience as a storekeeper and cashier in a bargaining supermarket in Nepal. During my employment, my main responsibility include barcode scanning, data entry, quality checking, loading and unloading goods, etc. I always try to perform my duties with honesty and responsibility. I do not have any bad habits like smoking or drinking. I consider myself a hardworking, disciplined, and quick learner person. My hobbies include traveling, listening to music, and reading books. I am applying for a job in Romania. I do not have any friends or relatives in Romania, and I am fully committed to focus on my work. I am waiting for your positive response. Thank you, sir, for your time and consideration.
हजुर म 23
फेरि कुरा ट्राई गर्ने कि भयो
अब हेरौँ के हुन्छ कोरिया अलिक छिटो जान्नु
क्यामेराम्यान
भयो
बिस्तारै अहिले 20 केजी हो नि छ त्यो ठिक छ त्यो नि यो सार्नु न त्यो ठ्याक सार्नु 20 को कत्रो हाल्नु आउँछ एक दुईवटा कि पुरै हान्दिने धेरै भयो 2 मिनट कति बेरसम्म
2 मिनट मात्र चाहिएको कि एकछिन
यो 4-5 वटा हाल्नु न यो नगर यो फुट्छ यो चाहिँ बोका पर्यो
बोकेर लाने हो
यो भेट टाउको
हो नि
10 केजी 50 केजी हेर
कति मिनट भयो
3
ल भयो ल काटौँ
उयो ल